Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a dunking contest. So we are going to be jumping over this car. Here you see. And, yeah, it's kind of easy. It's kind of easy if you have a trick. So 1, 2, 3. Try it. I think we could do that.
Yeah, let me try.
You go first. Okay, do it. Oh, you cheated. We're cheating. No, put it like this. No! We're gonna be doing it this way. Alright guys, we're not gonna be doing that today. So today we're gonna be doing some kind of, guys, we're gonna be doing some kind of, shush, we're gonna be doing some kind of like hardcore. We're gonna be doing some hardcore.
You need to water these plants.
So yeah, hardcore. So
hardcore.
we're doing hardcore. Stupid. Alright guys, we're doing hardcore. It's not hardcore. Be quiet, it is hardcore. I'm singing a song too, Dumbo. It's not hardcore. And the legend climbing trees is some hardcore, guys. And we're gonna be going really high in this tree. So that's why I pointed you up. This tree isn't really that high. Go face them to mine.
And we have sap on this tree, so
Dude, I said go face them my way. Go get the camera. Stupid. Hey guys, it's really hard up. And
no, it's not.
shut up.
You.
Dude, that can fall in a second and break. Alright guys, you can see. Dude, don't get up here. I said face the camera towards me.
It is facing.
No, it's not. It's over there.
You said over there.
Pick it up.
No.
Yes.
Logan's home.
Do you really care about him?
Well, there. Care about everyone.
Ugh.
I care about him.
Ugh.
And you're supposed to care about.
You. Shoot.
I just want to make sure I see.
Huh? Hey, quit! Sorry.
No.
I'm trying to spit.
And then no sorry.
Because I got stuff in my mouth. Because I'm sick. I got mucus in my mouth. That's why I'm spitting. Shoot. Because I had that pill. Ow!
Would you think your mom would like it if I told her that you're spitting?
Sorry.
No, it ain't no sorry for spitting on somebody.
Dude, I'm sick.
Sorry don't.
I gotta spit.
That's not an excuse. Sorry don't cut when you spit on something.
Ugh, I spit on myself. That's ugh. Ugh.
You can spit on yourself, but you can't spit on nobody. You keep your spit on you. You might keep it on your mom, your dad, your dogs, your cat, but not me.
You is my family.
So?
Oh, shit. Alright, guys, that's our video for today. And bye.